folks. I'm out here in the rain. See what I do for you people? Oh, just kidding. Out here with the Gollywock. This is probably the most popular rubber-powered airplane for competition usage in America right now. Dates from 1938. Been many variations on this thing. Currently, and this is actually true, contrary to what happened with the Corda, you can buy these from Retro RC. There's a nice kit that they have for it. So, yeah, you should get one. We're going to hopefully not get this stuck in a tree. We'll see here. We'll see how this goes. Give me a second. Stop that. Stop that, too. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Ugh, icky weather. At least the wings are covered with plastic. Tail not so much. Alright, here it goes. Going on 12 strands of 1/8. And you see it has a very strong climb, even with as little power as I've given it. Alright, well, at least we won't be stuck up a tree. May land in the next county, but yeah, if it'll just not do any nonsense. I've been having a few trim issues with it, as you can see right there. I think that stab has loosened up on me again. Maybe not. Yeah, there we go. It's dampening out. Yeah, there we go. You see, that thing has a really pretty glide. There it is. Just circling its way on in. It's out there a bit. Sorry, this isn't focusing real well. But working its way in there. Ploop. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. Go buy one. They're awesome. Not that hard to build, not that hard to trim, and they fly. That was nowhere near full power, just for the record.